Alright, really quick and easy video for y'all today. It is about the ending anon or non. And again, depending with the stress of the penultimate syllable or whatever syllable that is, right? So it just depends, right? You get the picture. So it changes nouns to adjectives and it adds this sort of likeness to it, right? And we'll see from the examples. So anon or non, okay? It's when it changes the noun to the adjectives, it makes it so that the noun or the adjective is now having characteristics of the noun, okay? And you'll see that through the examples. And again, it's being from a place, a demonym, demonym. So it's being from a place or a demonym of a person or something from that said place. Anything that's relating to or coming from that place, just anything of that place, right? And again, you'll see more of this with the examples. And another thing, if you're still confused, you can look at it as something like, okay? Something blah 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 like, or noun like. And here we go with the examples, okay? Not a lot because it's pretty self-explanatory once I explain it. First example is harianon nga balay. Harianon nga balay. Root word is hari, which means king, okay? A king. Hari. We add anon to it, it makes it more like king-like or kingly, okay? Kingly, king-like. But when we say something like harianon nga balay, we can look at it as like, oh, it's like a royal palace. Ah, okay. So harianon nga balay. Hari meaning king, harianon having characteristics of being a king, so royalty, right? Nga balay. Okay, so now it's a royal house. Okay, so maybe it's like a palace, a royal palace. Dagatnon nga mga binuhat. Okay, dagatnon nga mga binuhat. Dagat meaning the sea or the ocean, right? Dagatnon meaning ocean-like or sea-like, okay? Sea-like or ocean-like. See how it's taking that noun, ocean, making it into an adjective with dagatnon, and it's taking characteristics of the noun, so ocean-like, and it's coming from that area, ocean-y, oceany, oceanish, kind of watery, waterish, you know, that so ocean-like creatures, okay? Bolanon siya, that person is from Bohol, okay? Bolanon siya, he is Boholano or Boholana, okay? Bolanon. Here we see a morphological process. Again, you should be familiar with that. Bolanon. From the word bohol is the root word. Bolanon is what we get after we conjugate it with the anon affix. Because in Cebuano, it doesn't sound right to say boholanon. Boholanon. No, we take away that extra syllable inside with the vowel ho, right? Bol. Now we have bol instead of bohol. We removed the extra syllable, and since we're adding anon to it, and a takes that stress, remember the stress versus unstress, we now change the pronunciation of the word with morphological process because of the stress and deletion, and we get an internal pause. Bol anon siya. He or she is from Bohol. And last but not least, we have the examples of coming from a place or like-ish characteristics of that place, right? Bukidnon is a mountaineer or someone who does a lot of mountaineering. It's also a geographical place in Mindanao. Bukidnon. Bukid meaning mountain. Hiligaynon, okay? Hiligaynon, the Hiligaynon language or the Hiligaynon people. They are also known as Hilongos or Ilongos, right? Hiligaynon, right? The root word is hiligay. Hiligay, which I guess you can also see as Ilonggo or Hilonggo, right? Ilonggo or Hilonggo. Hiligaynon, and it's also the language they speak. And another one similar to Hiligaynon is Subanon, the Subanon. The poor Subanon people, they are in Mindanao, they are constantly a minority who face a lot of government neglect, right? The Subanon tribes. And again, I hope that these series can kind of show awareness about the Philippines and situations that are less commonly heard of. But again, the Subanon tribe speak the Subanon language because they're from the Subanon area, okay, of Mindanao, which is like the Zamboanga del Norte Peninsula, just north of Zamboanga. Most of them have actually don't speak Subanon anymore, so it's kind of sad. But there are people that are now seeing this as important and making sure that it stays alive. Because most of the speakers shift to Tausug, Chabacano, or Cebuano, or Hiligaynon. Anyway, enough ranting. So this is what anon and non can indicate.